Welcome guys, this is Warren from Pricematch. Today we're going to review a very beautiful 2011 BMW 523i. Alright, this car has been around Singapore road for some time. It's a very popular executive sedan car. A lot of people renew COE. A lot of people buy this car. This is always the first choice of car when executive or young executive alike will go for when they look for something like in this segment of the market. Alright, today we're going to review why is that so and why people love this car so much. Okay, we're going to start off with the exterior, the interior, then after which we'll take on a short drive. And let me just explain the whole driving feel that the 5 Series gave us. Okay, this car has been so-called souped up or modified legally, if you would like to use the word modified. We're starting from the front. Okay, as you can see, it comes with a carbon fiber front lid. Okay, so it has been done up. The car is not lowered, but it seems to be lowered because of the whole aesthetic feels over at the front. It comes with an M Sports body kit. Okay, let me just zoom up a little bit. For M Sports body kit, the main difference is the front two inlet. Okay, the front two inlet over here. It does look a little bit like the M5 kit, but the M5 kit doesn't have the wire mesh here and here probably. So it actually complements the whole look. If you can see right here, so it makes the whole face and the nose of the car sharper and more eager and aggressive. Okay, the BMW signature kidney grille have been darkened as well, and these are the M Sports kidney grille, where there are dual bar here instead of the usual single bar. Okay, the headlamps, okay, these are full LED angel lights. As you can see, it's a very nice CCFL ring over here, so it's a BMW signature kind of look to every BMW cars. Okay, this car, the mileage is only 75k. As you can see, the exterior condition is beautiful. Man, it's beautiful. Okay, the owner has been taking care of the car very well. Have been sent for regular grooming. It comes originally without these rims. Okay, these are BBS rims, 20-inch. Okay, running on a Michelin sports tire. Okay, usually these are all, you know, accessories and performance upgrades that a BMW's owner will go for when it comes to this kind of complete outlook. They call it the blackout looks. So BBS rims is always the preferred choice. Okay, so with many spokes. Okay, the tires are of good qualities. The side indicator, I personally particularly like this chrome part. Okay, it actually gives the car a very luxury feel. Okay, let me just zoom out for you. If you can see, from the nose to the tail of the car, because of that portion right there, okay, it actually give a very seamless kind of look, and there's a slight little different over there. So when you have that first look, you can see that, oh, this thing is black with carbon fiber, then there's a chrome there. It gives a little segregation to the car. And all this, you see, the chrome here, the chrome here, the BMW engineer actually pay a lot of attention to this. So of course the signature chrome over here throughout the whole window panel, it emits a black and chrome, black and silver kind of look to the car. So some of them, they like the total blackout. For me, I don't prefer it, and I don't really recommend it unless you are into that kind of look. Everything will be blackout. Okay, let's move back. Okay, I don't know whether you can see this line here, the whole line here. Okay, these are the signature M5, I mean the F10 look. So this portion is actually the aerodynamic. The wind will actually come in from here, here back to here. So this whole piece from the tail all the way to the front, you can see, until here, seamless. These are beautiful. So these are the small details that I always urge BMW's possible owners to look out for. Okay, these are the things that, you know, complete the whole car. I personally love it. The tail lamps are original tail lamps, red tail lamps with LED strips, 3 stripes over here, stop here and connect over here. So at night when the lights are on, you can see that the car actually emits a very beautiful, mysterious kind of feel. Okay, let's move to here. As you can see, the 2 quartz exhaust. Okay, the car actually comes with 1 pair of exhaust, which is here. But of course, for aesthetic wise, these are just exhaust tips. Okay, we input a quad exhaust to complement this M Sport's rear diffuser, the kit here. So if you step back, you can see, okay, these are very popular kit, okay, among Singapore road. This is the M Sports kit. It looks a little bit like the M5 rear diffuser, but it actually belongs to the M Sport design. Over here as well, there's a little boot lid. To me, this is a very beautiful touch. Okay, the boot lid. Why I say so? It's not overwhelming. Some of them, they have huge spoiler, or spoiler that jack out the duct tip. But I think the boot lid it actually complete the whole look. Okay, subtle, beautiful, and not into your face. All right. And of course, there's a signature shark fin. Okay, these are actually antennas. Okay, let's take a look at the interior of the car. Okay, the first feeling that BMW cars gave you, to me, is the doors. Look how wide it can open. You see, from here, it's all the way here. It's almost 80 degrees, man. Yeah, you see, all the way until here, effortlessly. It doesn't have to push. It doesn't have that juddering feel, but you just push and you stop here, and you have to push it all the way. No, it's just a one single motion all the way up 80 degrees. Okay, these are the things that I personally like on the 5 Series. And there are 2 tones. Okay, it comes with a cream interior, and my oh my, just look at the interior. How beautiful and well kept the interior is. There's no stains to the leather. There's no, this is pretty hard to maintain if you ask me, this color. Because I mean, if you drive it every day and if you don't maintain it, you have all these stains here and here at the side step, the handle and stuff. But this, my oh my, just look at the roof lining here. It's so beautiful, so well maintained. Okay, so a 5 Series is pretty conventional. A few things to take note on potential 5 Series buyer. These handles. Okay, these handles are a pain in the neck. Why? Because it always, because of the weather here and normal wear and tear, it always have a sticky feel to it, and the rubber actually came off. But all this panel have been changed. Okay, the ex-owner has changed the panels, and the handles is now in the form of like a mixture of rubber and plastic, so it's not that bad. Okay, these are the things that you need to take note, BMW drivers. If you want to know where to get it changed, you can always PM us, DM us, drop us a message. I do have contacts for all these things at a fraction of a cost. Alright. Okay, if you ask me, the 5 Series, the thing that I don't really like is this part. You see, I couldn't put a water bottle here, the side pocket. I couldn't put maybe something bigger here, a bag here, or something, a plastic bag or something like that. The only thing I can think of putting here is, some kind of coupons and stuff. But right now, who use coupons? We have the parking app, and I think it's pretty convenient. Nobody use coupon. So this part, I don't know what you want to pull up, but it's not very deep. You see, it stops until here. So this whole part here is unused. Okay, so BMW engineer, maybe you can take note on the next coming few series after the G series. This is the part that might be improved on. Okay, at the rear, same 80 degrees, same pocket, same depth. Okay, and of course you have a central armrest here. Okay, let me see here, and a cup holders. Okay, one thing to take note on BMW F Series is the transmission tunnel over here. Okay, this is one of the things that I personally think that is a little bit in the way. For comfort wise, if you can see, if I'm sitting here, I'm fine. I do have a space of a 2 fist over here, which is sufficient. But for the central passenger, this might be a problem. If you can see, I'm about 179 cm, and you see, I have to sit. I'm sorry, but I sit with the leg open, and with the air blowing like that, it might not be very correct. Alright, so yeah, with my leg portion like that, 1.5 feet with the aircon here, it might not be very comfortable. I don't know where to put my legs, seriously. If someone my size sit here or here, I might have just to be squeezing like that, like a tuna, which I think, well, sedan, a 5-seater might have to improve on the transmission tunnel. It's pretty high. Other than that, it's pretty conducive. The headroom is fine. Okay, these are file holders, if you ask me. Okay, you can put some book here, some magazines, some files, but to put bulky items, no. And these are very fragile items. All this, personally, I've changed a lot. Okay, so just take note not to put all the way back for BMW's owners. Same here, have been changed. Okay, so yes, you can see there's a two-tone. I personally like the finishes of this BMW 5 Series. It's two-tone, 1, 2. Okay, of course this silver chrome fits the one outside. It complements the whole looks. The cream and a slightly darker shade of grey. Actually, it gives a very expensive, exquisite feeling. The cabin quality is pretty good for 5 Series, I must agree. Okay, let's go out here. Okay, let's go to the boot area. The boot, it comes with a power tailgate. For power tailgate to open, yeah, it's very luxury. It gives you a very welcome feeling. But to me, I prefer a manual one to open and a powered one to close. Why? Because when it closes, I can just walk out and do my stuff. But when I press it open, it takes some time for it to open fully. But never mind, I'm a picky owner, picky driver, but these are not a big issue to most of the driver out there. For the boot, okay, it's sufficient. You see, my back is here. It's actually quite deep. Okay, this car, the whole boot space is quite deep. You have a netting here, okay, and of course you can put your stuff here. Okay, and these are the basement, I call it. You can put stuff like, you know, your tools and stuff, but generally the boot space is quite generous. Okay, see the tailgate. Okay, so without further ado, let's just drive the car and let's have a feel of how it drives. Okay, nothing illegal to the car, just aesthetics, nothing touched to the engine, nothing, there's no modification to the engine, no modification to the exhaust as well, just for aesthetics. Let's fire this baby up. Okay. These buttons, okay, always fits for BMW's 5 Series, all these buttons. But you can see it has been changed, or it's really underused. Okay, but this button always fits. Okay, so these are the things that you need to take note. Why? Because maybe when we drive, we use it every day, we press it, all these fans, the logo and stuff will fade off. Alright, so drivers, please take note, but never mind, all these things can be changed. Okay, they are all contacts and stuff with me, so if you want it, I can get it for you. Okay, so this comes with a pedal shifter. Okay, the meters are clearly displayed. Okay, one thing I like about BMW cars are the meters are really clearly displayed. You have the fuel gauge, okay, of course the speed, the RPM, and the temperature gauge. Everything clearly displayed. There's no additional stuff which makes you very confused. And it comes with a signature BMW iDrive, which is very easy to navigate. Okay, these are the infotainment system. It's very easy to navigate. So you can actually look through all this through the manual book and stuff to learn about how to navigate through it. Okay, so this guy is low on fuel right now. Otherwise, it's no faults. Okay, it's electronic handbrakes. So to engage is to pull up. To disengage is to push down. Okay, you do have AUX here. Okay, cup holders here, and of course the ashtray here. Okay, so right now let's go.